Hey guys, before watching the video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you can get an update whenever I upload my next video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So OnePlus 7 just received an update. It is Oxygen OS version 9.5.5.GM57AA, and let me just show you the changelog. Here as you can see, they have updated the Android security patch level to May 2019. Previously it was for April 2019, and there are some general bug fixes and improvements. In the camera department, they have improved overall contrast and color. They have also improved accuracy and stability of autofocusing, improved the clarity and color of nightscape, and also improved brightness and clarity in extreme low light scene of nightscape. So the main focus of this update is the camera department, and I'll be showing you some samples as well. So before that, let me just show you how you can update your phone. So just swipe across here and then tap on the settings cog. So here as you can see guys, all you have to do is go to system settings. Now just scroll down and tap on system updates. Here it will check for any system updates. It is showing me as your system is up to date since I have already updated to this update. I also did a quick AnTuTu benchmark with this update. Let me just show you my result. Yeah, so I scored around 363,776, which is quite similar to what I was getting with the previous update. So that's not a very big change. Yeah, so first of all, I have this pic, and let me just show you the same pic on Pocophone. Alright, so here as you can see, now OnePlus 7 is definitely enhancing the yellow color here and it's oversaturating it. It's definitely fake and it does not look like this. But the good thing here is that on the buttons I can very clearly see the symbols because it is enhancing the colors. But I can definitely say that the yellow color is not rendered properly by the camera algorithm. On standard photo mode, it is definitely enhancing the normal colors. Overall, the pic is very clear. I have to say the text is very easily visible. Here as you can see, the select and start button is very clearly visible. And let me just show you the same pic on Pocophone. And here as you can see, the yellow color is quite soft, and to be honest, this is the natural color of the bedsheet and not what I saw on OnePlus. Here the colors are also softer, but the thing is guys that when I zoom in and notice this front camera, it was not very sharp, and OnePlus 7 definitely ended up achieving a very clear pic, but the color calibration is much better on the Pocophone. And coming on to the next pic, so here as you can see guys, this is the temperature gun, and one thing I can clearly notice is that the orange color looks so fake on OnePlus 7. Here as you can see, it is again oversaturating the colors, but on Pocophone you can see the colors are very soft. But the thing is guys, on Pocophone the colors are much closer to what they actually are, and on OnePlus 7 it is definitely oversaturating the colors, and I'm noticing that the brighter colors like orange and yellow are getting very oversaturated after this update. But the text is definitely very clear on OnePlus 7, but on Pocophone also it is very clear. Here the thing is guys, you can see that color temperature is very warm on OnePlus 7 as compared to Pocophone. One thing that was very impressive is that the finer details were captured very nicely. Yeah, so coming on to the low light photography. Here as you can see, I shot this with the standard photo mode of OnePlus 7 in a very low light condition, and it was very impressive that OnePlus 7 was able to capture the PS Vita text. But here as you can see, none of the symbols on the PS Vita buttons were visible, and the Sony text here was barely visible. So after enabling the nightscape mode, this is the picture that I took, and I was really happy with the end result. Using the nightscape mode, the picture looks very sharp and very bright as well. Here as you can see guys, we can see the symbols on the PS Vita button, and I can also clearly read the Sony text here, and even the small symbols on PS Vita D-pads are visible. So the nightscape is working very nicely, I have to say. It is definitely enhancing the colors in the right way, but I have definitely noticed that the bright colors are getting oversaturated with this update. But it's also up to personal preferences. Some of the people like oversaturated colors, some don't like it. Anyways guys, let me just show you the autofocusing. Let's see what they have improved. So I'll just quickly bring this small battery here. So it seems that yeah, it is able to focus on the battery quite quickly, but it's still not very fast, I have to say. Yeah, so it was not able to focus here, and again it was not able to focus properly. Yeah, now it was able to focus, but then again it lost the focus. So it's not very impressive. Let me just show you how fast Pocophone can focus this. Alright, so I have opened the camera of Pocophone, and let me just bring in the battery. Yes, so it focused there. Focused again. Yep, again. It completely destroys OnePlus 7 in this department, and I'm not sure why they are struggling here, because Pocophone only has Snapdragon 845 and it's doing a very good job in keeping the fast focus. Excellent, just excellent. Pocophone completely destroys OnePlus 7 here. So guys, I'll end this video here. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you did not, you can hit the dislike button. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you're looking forward to such similar content in the near future. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.